Did you know that Morocco possesses some of the world's largest phosphate reserves? But what makes Morocco special is not only the amount of phosphate underground, it is the way Morocco has developed an entire industrial chain to transform this natural resource into products used by farmers around the world. So, how does it actually work? Everything starts in the phosphate mines, mainly operated by OCP. First, large machines remove layers of soil and extract phosphate-bearing rock. This rock is then crushed into smaller pieces. But the extracted material isn't pure phosphate. It contains sand, clay, and other unwanted materials. So the rock goes through a beneficiation process, where it is washed and separated to increase its phosphate concentration. Once processed, the phosphate can be transported to industrial facilities. And this is where the transformation becomes really interesting. The phosphate rock is mixed with sulfuric acid in a chemical process called wet process phosphoric acid production. This produces two main products, phosphoric acid and phosphogypsum, which is a byproduct. The phosphoric acid then becomes the main ingredient for producing fertilizers. For example, it can be combined with ammonia to produce MAP and DAP fertilizers, which provide crops with essential nutrients such as phosphorus and nitrogen. Other fertilizers can also be produced depending on the needs of different soils and crops. But Morocco's phosphate strategy doesn't stop at mining and fertilizer production. OCP has invested heavily in industrial complexes, transport infrastructure, energy, water management, and fertilizer plants to create an integrated value chain. One important example is the slurry pipeline, which allows phosphate concentrate to be transported from mining areas to processing plants in a more efficient way. So the complete journey is quite simple. The phosphate is mined, enriched, transported, chemically transformed, converted into fertilizer, and finally shipped to farmers around the world. And that is the real strength of Morocco's phosphate industry. It doesn't just take a mineral from the ground and sell it. It adds value to it, transforms it into useful agricultural products, and connects Moroccan resources with food production around the world.